This is my first task of the Sparks Foundation internship, July 2024 batch of Data and Business Analytics. So my first task is the prediction using supervised machine learning. This is a linear regression task, and we will predict the percentage of marks of a student based on the number of hours he studied. And we have to find the predicted score of a student if he studies 9.25 hours a day. So in the first step, we have imported the required libraries in the notebook. So here I have imported pandas, NumPy and matplotlib. In the next step, I have loaded the dataset which was provided. Then I have plotted the data points on a 2D graph to check if we can manually find any relationship between the data. So here I have plotted the distribution of scores. In the x variable it's hours and the y variable it is scores. The title is hours versus percentage. X label is hours studied and the y label is percentage score. So in the given output, we can clearly see that there is a positive linear relation between the number of hours and the percentage of scores. So now we have done the preparation of the data, and in the next step I have divided the data into the attributes, that is the input, and the labels, that is the output. So in this step I have divided the data into attributes and labels. And after dividing the data into the attributes and labels, the next step is to split the data into the training and test sets. So now to split the data into the training and test sets, we have to import the train test split library. Now next I have trained the algorithm here. So I have imported the linear regression model. Next I have here plotted the regression line, and then I've plotted for the test data. After the plotting, in the output we have been provided here with the test data already. After this I have made the predictions after training our algorithm, of course. So here we have tested the data in hours and we have predicted the scores. Then we have compared the actual versus the predicted. And lastly we have done the required, that is we had to predict how much a student can score if he is studying 9.25 hours per day. So here we have predicted the data, the score according to the hours, and the output, that is the score that we have got, is 93.69 if the student is studying 9.25 hours. So this was all about my task. Thank you.